Hi folks, Doug here, Ellis Car Customs, home of every colored cat you can find. Welcome to the channel if you're new. Welcome back if you're returning and you're a glutton for punishment like I am. Anyways, glad y'all could make it. In today's episode, I'm going to attack that door and take all those parts I took out of that other door and fly them into the Nomad door and the glass and all that kind of stuff and see how it works out. Hopefully everything will be good, and after that we'll see what other trouble we can get into. But thanks for coming, everybody. So, and with the window up, once again, you can see it illustrates the gap that you have for the big ass rubber that goes in there. There's still adjustment to the window stops, so I can't really do like a final adjustment on the window until I have the rubbers for it to close up against, because I'm sure I have to raise the stops up to bring the window up a little bit more, especially in the back. But without those rubbers, I don't know how much I need to bring it up. But it's fluid right now. You can still adjust it. So we'll go with that for now. So I'm wandering around outside here, and I know I'm missing these pieces from the Nomad. I don't know how different the 4-door piece is from the Nomad piece. It might just be a matter of length. I almost think the curvature is pretty similar, but it may be too long that maybe I can trim a little off the bottom or something. So I'll probably steal these off and see if they'll work on the project. That'll be a few more dollars saved, and keep looking for more parts. So for the driver's door, this is the 2 doors that came off the original hardtop. I can steal this wing window assembly for the driver's door. At least it has this piece here. This piece is wrong, because on the hardtops they have this dip in them for the flippers, that when the flippers close, they close into that dip, and the Nomad doesn't have that dip. It's just straight up. It's slightly curved but no dip. So I mean, I could use it probably, but it would be wrong. But this piece here obviously is not gonna do it as far as the Nomad goes. It's the wrong piece. Unfortunately, this piece that is here is missing off of this one, and I need it for the passenger door. So I'm gonna have to get one of those. But yeah, I can steal this assembly out of here. The only thing that sucks is somebody's already stolen the window regulator out of it, so I don't have the regulator or the track at the back. So yeah, it's a matter of digging around trying to find what you're looking for. So we've crossed another hurdle. We've got our lift gate on there. I'm gonna get I took the factory stops off of there that hold it up. I'm gonna get the gas powered ones. I know they're not original, but I think they'll work better for what I'm doing. But close that sucker up and close our gate. It ain't going nowhere. I got to do a little more tweaking on it, obviously, this, that, and the other, but considering what we started with, as far as none of this here even existing, like 6 months ago, I'm going to call it a win, and hopefully y'all will call it a win too. I've had some people in the comments say I kind of shortchanged everybody on not showing the ribs going on after all the massive tailgate content or whatever. But really, these ribs, they're only held on by like little clips that line up with the holes, and you just go ka-chunk, ka-chunk, ka-chunk. It was like, I don't know, took a minute to do. I didn't film it because I didn't think it would be that interesting just to watch me click these things on there. But if I disappointed you, sorry about that. But yeah, my son made another appearance. He was in the videos when we went to get the motor, if you go back to the road trip videos. But he gave me a hand putting this gate in because that's definitely not a one-man job. Trying to hold that gate up, line up all them freaking screws and get it on there, you know. But yeah, it's kind of, here, I'm going to grab this thing here. If you look at the more finished side of the car here, it's starting to look like something. But like I said, the glass is not perfect because it's not brand new glass. It's salvaged glass that's, you know, close to 70 years old, but I suppose we can't complain too much. But yeah, I gotta track down weather stripping and things like that. I'm gonna need it for the side doors and everything else. Still gotta fabricate garnish moldings on the inside. I still got different pieces that have to be fabricated, so we won't run out of content in the near future. But I appreciate y'all hanging with me on this thing, and we're going to get there sooner or later. So that's what I got for you today. Appreciate you stopping by the shop. And there goes the cat. And I hope you'll come back next time. Take care, everybody.